If you're looking for ways to make money from home as a mom, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you 9 different ways you can start making money right away without leaving your house. Hey there, Mom. Do you want to know how to make some extra money without having to leave your own house? Well, you're in luck because I've put together a list of 9 different ways you can start making some serious cash from the comfort of your own home. So grab a cup of coffee and let's start the discussion on how to list your baby gear for rent, sell unused gift cards, and monetize your expertise to create an online course. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income-generating opportunities right in front of you. Number 1, list your baby gear for rent. If you have baby gear you're not using, you can make some extra money by renting it out to traveling parents. This can be a great way to earn some extra cash, and it can also help out parents who are visiting your city with their babies. To get started, list your baby gear on a rental website or app. Be sure to include photos, descriptions, and price information. Once you've got everything listed, start marketing your rental business to parents looking for baby gear in your area. You can promote your rentals on social media, in local parenting groups, or through word of mouth. You can soon earn some extra money by renting your baby gear with little effort. Help a future business owner just like you find this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Number 2, capitalize on empty garage or storage space. You can make some extra money by renting out space in your garage or home to store other people's belongings. This is a great way to earn some extra income and can also help you declutter your own home. If you have a spare room, closet, or even just a corner of your garage that you can spare, you can start earning money by renting out its storage space. Just be sure to price your rental space competitively and to screen tenants carefully to ensure that their belongings will be well cared for. Number 3, offer your car for rent. Have a spare car that you don't use very often? Why not rent it out to make some extra money? You can make some extra money by renting out your spare car. You can charge people a daily, weekly, or monthly fee to use your car. The more people you have using your car, the more money you will make. You will need a rental agreement from each person who wants to use your car. This is an agreement that should outline the rental terms, such as how long the person can use the car, how much they will pay, and what kind of insurance they need. You should also include a clause that allows you to terminate the agreement if the person does not follow the terms. Many companies offer car rental services, and they're always looking for new vehicles to add to their fleet. You can earn an extra $700 per month by renting out your spare car. Number 4, sort and sell your kids' clothing. As any parent knows, kids grow up fast. It seems like they've outgrown their clothes every few months and need a new wardrobe. This can be expensive, especially if you're always buying new clothes, but there are ways to save money on kids' clothing. Another option is to sell your kids' old clothes online or at consignment stores. This is a great way to make some extra money and declutter your home at the same time. Number 5, make money from unused gift cards. Have you ever received a gift card for a store that you never shop at? Or been given a gift card for an amount that's more than what you actually wanted to spend? If so, you're not alone. In fact, according to a recent study, the average American has $300 worth of unused gift cards just sitting around. Luckily, there's a way to turn those unwanted gift cards into cash. Websites will purchase your unused gift cards for up to 92% of their value. Simply enter the card details and desired payment method, and you'll receive a payment within 1 to 2 business days. Number 6, write articles using Jasper.ai. You can make money online by writing articles using Jasper.ai. This platform allows you to write articles on various topics and get paid for your work. You can also choose to publish your articles on multiple websites, giving you exposure to a broad audience. In addition, Jasper.ai offers several different tools and resources that you can use to help write your articles, including a built-in grammar checker and a thesaurus. With these tools, you can be sure that your articles are well written and free of errors. If you're looking for ways to make money online, writing articles using Jasper.ai is an excellent option. Number 7, write YouTube scripts for YouTube. There are many ways to make money online, but one way you can make money online is by writing YouTube scripts on Fiverr or Upwork. You can choose to write for a specific YouTuber or a general audience, and you can also choose to write longer scripts or shorter ones. If you want to make money online by writing YouTube scripts, you need to be able to capture the attention of your audience and keep them engaged. You also need to be able to write compelling copy that will convince people to hire you. To get started, create a profile on Fiverr or Upwork, and apply for writing gigs. Once you land a gig, be sure to deliver quality work so that you can get repeat clients. Number 8. Monetize your expertise and create an online course. If you're a parent, chances are you're an expert in one or more aspects of parenting. Whether it's potty training, getting your kids to eat their vegetables, or dealing with teen hormones, there's always something new to learn. And who better to learn from than someone who's been through it all before? That's where you come in. You can create an online course that will help other parents succeed by monetizing your parenting expertise. Creating an online course is a great way to make money from your parenting expertise. Not only will you be able to share your knowledge with others, but you'll also be able to make a profit from your efforts. There are many ways to monetize your course, such as charging for access, offering discounts for bulk purchases, or even selling advertising space. Whatever route you choose, be sure to create a quality product that parents will be happy to recommend to their friends. With a little effort, you could soon be earning a tidy profit from your parenting expertise. Number 9. Start your own blog. Any parent can tell you that raising a child is no easy task. From the moment they are born, kids keep you on your toes. They are constantly growing and changing, and just when you think you have them figured out, they surprise you with something new. It can be a lot of work, but it's also gratifying. If you're a parent looking to share your experiences with others, starting a parenting blog is a great way to do it. You can use your blog to share advice, vent about parenting challenges, and connect with other parents who are going through the same thing. Plus, it can be a fun and creative outlet to share your thoughts and stories about this incredible journey called parenthood. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button and turn the notification on so you don't miss out on how to make money on Instagram.